Hello there, today I'm going to share with you how do I cook pineapple fried rice for my family. Please see list of ingredients and descriptions down below. And for full recipe, please find it at the end of this video. Heat up olive oil or cooking oil in a non-stick skillet or wok on a high heat. Then add in garlic and shallot. Stir and cook until garlic is slightly golden brown. Next, add in chicken and shrimp, then stir. Cook for about 2 minutes, then add in pinch of white pepper and stir again. And after that, add in pinch of salt and stir again. Once the chicken is slightly golden brown, then add in an egg and stir gently. If needed, you can add more oil. And after that, add in cold rice and cook for about 2 minutes. Stir constantly. Then add in dark soy sauce and oyster sauce. Mix them well. Next, add in raisin, cashew nuts and oyster mushroom. Mix them well. Then mix in white pepper. Now you can taste if more salt is needed. Then add in diced pineapple and mix them well. Cook for about 2 minutes. Stir constantly. Next, add in sesame oil and stir. Let it cook and stir constantly for another 2 minutes and your pineapple fried rice is ready. Serve it with your homemade spicy condiment and you can top the fried rice with sunny up fried egg.